Okay, today we talk about another important health issue. It's how to prevent cancer. Okay, so what is cancer? Cancer is one kind of problem. Our body's own cells multiply too much without controlled by the body's immune system. For example, we can have lung cancer and skin cancer and breast cancer, ovary cancer, uterine cancer, even rare cancer, which like the brain cancer or brain tumor. Okay, so normally our body cells multiply if we need it. For example, you damage the skin scratched or cut it, and then the cells in the tissue in the skin will multiply, and then will divide it 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and until the problem healed, until the skin healed, and then they don't overgrow. Our cells only grow when they need or keep the body health. For example, our skin, every day we maybe 1,000 skin cells died, but we multiply another 1,000. And every day we have so many red blood cells or white blood cells died, then we have multiplied more, which keeps the body healthy. Okay, what kind of thing to keep our body's cells multiply controlled? So I think everyone know one thing is immune system, our body's immune system. Our body's own white blood cells or antibody, and they watch our body. Every single cells, if they are normal, they keep well. If they are not normal, our bodies will destroy it. That's one thing. Also, I think one important thing, which is our nervous system. So our nervous system grows a single small nerves to every inch of our body, which all the tissue, all the skin, all the muscle, all the blood vessel, all the parts, we have nerves to sense it, to tell them what to do. One thing is when the nerve cells give the instruction, give the sensation, or get the signal from the body to the brain, communicate well, then they control the local tissue well. For example, if your skin control well, if your skin feel warm, if your skin can feel comfortable, then they don't grow cancer normally, alright? And also, same to the internal organ. For example, breast cancer. Breast cancer normally happens above the breast, above our breast. Okay, when the nerves from number 3, number 4, cervical nerves going down to the breast area, and they control the blood vessels. That means the nerves control the blood vessels, control the lymph nodes, lymph tube, and then protect this area from any kind of infection or bacteria or virus infection. If the nerves on your neck, number 3, number 4 nerves, blocked or being pressed, then these nerves cannot control the breast very well. And that means this area, the bacteria or virus went into your breast tube or breast milk tube, and then they invaded the breast cells, and then cannot be protected or detected or cannot be cleaned, then this area more likely to have a breast cancer. I have treated many breast lumps, also breast cancer. After they come to me and they tell me they have breast cancer, but I said, okay, don't tell me which side, let me feel. And when I feel the neck, I straight away can tell them right or left breast get infected or get disease or get cancer. And why? Because that side, they sometimes they have number 3, number 4 vertebra very stiff, lumpy, and calcified, and very painful to be touched. All right. So if we want to prevent cancer, all right, prevent cancer, we have to keep two systems well. One system is our immune system, and immune system, which like your blood cells, your lymph nodes, and lymph tubes, blood vessels, healthy. All right. And another thing also we need to keep the nerve system healthy, because the nerve system is the body's guide. They guide everything, anything of our body, which like all the tubes, blood vessels controlled by your nerve system, sympathetic nerves, all right, and lymph nodes, lymph tubes, all controlled by your nerve system. So when the nerve system being pinched or being infected or tight, and then we called in Chinese medicine term, we call the meridian being blocked. When your meridian being blocked, then you can have more like the disease. Cancer is one of them. If we want to prevent cancer, for example, if all the women, if they really care about their body, about their breast, okay, so they need check their number 3, number 4 vertebral nerves well or not, okay. If they have a stiff neck, all right, also number 3, number 4 nerves also affect our shoulder area, all right, shoulder blade, shoulder area, as well as above your breast or from muscle area, all right, this area. So many people, when they have a stiff neck, they said, oh, I only have a stiff neck. Actually, the stiff neck can cause so many problems, which is your immune system, which controlled by our brainstem, all right, our immune system, our nerve system, and can cause so many troubles. Cancer is one of them. If we want to prevent cancer, we have to treat the neck, treat the nerve system, or some problem from the lower back as well, all right. So I show you on the anatomy, all right. So this is number 3, number 4 nerves, cervical nerves. This nerve more likely to be pressed when this joint too tight, Also, when the vertebral arteries being pressed, narrowed here, the brainstem, which control our basic life, which like your immune system, your heartbeat, your breathing, your blood pressure, all from your brainstem area. And also brainstem have lots of nerves come out to control your face and eye or ear area, all right, which we call the 12 cranial nerves, all right. Okay, so keep the first and second vertebra free. It's good for the vertebral arteries, and this arteries is very important to your brain, which is your immune system, all right. And the nerves from here or from the body's lower back, all right, this can be pressed by the disc. If this been pressed, then we more likely to have the bowel problem, or ovary problem, or prostate problem, or colon's problem, or woman's ovary, bladder, all they can affect it. Alright? So how to do it? To make them soft, which is neck and low back treatment, massage by Dr. Joe's 推拿彩球 therapy. Alright? Thank you very much for watching this. Okay, bye.